In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend your trip on Turo, giving you that much needed flexibility on your travels. Whether you're enjoying your current ride a little too much to give it back, or your plans have changed, extending a trip can be done quickly and easily. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through each step of the process smoothly, ensuring you have all the information you need to make it a seamless experience. First, you'll need to log into your Turo account. Head over to Turo.com, the place where all your car sharing needs are met. If you're not already signed in, just enter your credentials. If you've forgotten them, don't worry. There's always a forgot password option to help you regain access. Once logged in, your dashboard will offer you a personal overview of your bookings, so don't be overwhelmed with the other details displayed there. Your focus is the trip you're currently enjoying. Next up, you'll want to navigate to your current trip details. This section is where you'll find all the information about the vehicle you're driving, your host's contact details, and the trip timeline, including the start and end times. Browsing through this section will make it clear how your existing trip arrangement stands and what you might want to change. Now, direct your attention to options around modifying the trip timeline. You'll see an option labeled Change Trip or specifically Extend Trip. Click on one of these options. This is the doorway to updating your return time, paving the way for some extra hours or even days, depending on what you need and what's agreed upon with your host. After selecting to change or extend your trip, you'll be prompted to choose a new return date and time. This section will typically be easy to navigate. You just need to click on the calendar and time options available to update when you plan to hand back the car. Make sure to align these choices with your revised schedule, ensuring you don't hit any snags later. If you have multiple choices in mind, it's a good idea to verify these with any other plans or reservations you might have for your trip. Finally, submit your request for the extension. Once submitted, it's important to note that this request will require approval from your host. This might take a little time, so while you wait, it's helpful to keep an eye on your notifications or emails for the approval response. The approval responsibility lies on your host, but Turo notifications are typically prompt, keeping you updated in real time. And that's it. You've navigated through the process and learned how to extend your trip on Turo. Remember, the key is clear communication with your host and timely updates of your plans to match your travel needs. We hope this guide was helpful. Enjoy the rest of your journey and happy driving.